Artificial intelligence, AI, has been a buzzword in the tech industry for years, but recent advancements have taken it to a whole new level. AI-generated videos are now so realistic that it's almost impossible to tell them apart from videos made by humans. This breakthrough has the potential to change the way we create videos, making it faster, more cost-effective, and more consistent. With AI-generated videos, content creators can save time and money while still producing high-quality content that resonates with their audience. In this video, we will explore the benefits of AI-generated videos and what the future holds for this exciting technology. So, sit back, relax, and let's explore the world of AI-generated videos. Platforms that are the best for creating videos. OpenAI has introduced a new video generation AI model called Sora, which allows users to type out a desired scene and turns it into a high-definition video clip. Sora is a text-to-video model that can generate videos up to a minute long while maintaining visual quality and adherence to the user's prompt. AI Studios is indeed a platform that generates videos using AI technologies. Specifically, it focuses on generating videos featuring AI avatars. InVideo is another AI-powered video creation tool that specializes in helping users produce engaging social media and content marketing videos. Advancements in AI technology. Recent advancements in AI technology have made it possible for machine learning algorithms to analyze and understand visual data with unprecedented accuracy and speed. This has enabled AI to generate videos that are almost indistinguishable from those created by humans, with the added benefit of being faster and more cost-effective. These advancements have been made possible by the development of deep learning algorithms, which allow AI systems to learn from large amounts of data and improve their performance over time. As a result, AI-generated videos are becoming increasingly sophisticated and realistic, opening up new possibilities for content creators and revolutionizing the video production industry. With AI-generated videos, content creators can save time and money while still producing high-quality content that resonates with their audience. This breakthrough technology has the potential to change the way we create videos, making it faster, more cost-effective, and more consistent. The possibilities for AI-generated videos are truly endless, and it's exciting to think about how this technology could change the way we consume and interact with video content in the future. The benefits of AI-generated videos. AI-generated videos offer a level of consistency that is difficult to achieve with traditional video production methods. With AI, content creators can ensure that their videos have a consistent style and quality, making them more appealing to viewers. This is particularly important for large-scale video production, where maintaining a consistent look and feel across multiple videos can be challenging. Future AI-generated videos. As AI-generated videos continue to evolve, they could also be used to create personalized videos that cater to individual viewers' preferences. This level of personalization could create a more engaging and relevant experience for viewers, increasing their engagement with the content and ultimately leading to higher conversion rates for businesses. Additionally, AI-generated videos could be used to create virtual reality experiences that allow viewers to immerse themselves in a completely different world. This could be particularly useful for industries such as real estate, where viewers could take virtual tours of properties without leaving their homes, saving time and resources. The possibilities for AI-generated videos are truly endless, and it's exciting to think about how this technology could change the way we consume and interact with video content in the future, opening up new opportunities for businesses and content creators alike. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see more innovative uses of AI-generated videos that push the boundaries of what is possible in video production. In the coming years, we can expect to see AI-generated videos become even more sophisticated and realistic, with the potential to transform the way we consume and interact with video content. As AI technology continues to evolve, we may see a shift towards more personalized and immersive video experiences, as well as greater collaboration between humans and machines in the video production process. Content creators who are willing to embrace this technology and experiment with new approaches to video production will be at the forefront of this exciting revolution. So, if you're a content creator looking to stay ahead of the curve, now is the time to start exploring the possibilities of AI-generated videos. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates on the latest technology trends.